Welcome to Tirupati Municipal Corporation. Wet waste to biocompost making. It is known to everyone that Tirupati is the holistic and abode of Lord Sri Venkateshwara Swami Temple, Tirumala. Tirupati Municipal Corporation is at the forefront in implementing solid waste management best practices by following the 2006 SWM Act rules. MCT takes this as a serious challenge and follows an eco-friendly solution that reduce, reuse, recycle RRR method to decrease the carbon footprint on earth and processing the generator waste of 152 MT on average in the temple city under the Swachh Sarvekshan.
మున్సిపాలిటీ వాళ్ళు మెసేజ్ కూడా పంపిస్తున్నారు. 60 రూపీస్ కలెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు. ముందు 30నే తీసుకుంటున్నారు. ఒక 4-5 months నుంచి 60 చేశారు. బట్ నో ప్రాబ్లం, ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఈస్ ఫైన్.
As well, MCT is implementing 100% effective door-to-door waste collection as separation of dry and wet waste from the households by its strong collection network with 940 public health workers. Established a wet waste compost processing unit at Tukivakam in the city outskirts. In the unit presently, TMC is producing fine quality bioorganic manure from wet waste.
Corporation is collecting every day 125 tons of wet waste. Out of this 125 tons, we are doing around 75 tons of wet waste. We are doing composting. Another 50 tons we have a biomethanation plant. So out of this 75 tons, we are getting every day some 12 to 15 tons of compost. This everyday 12 to 15 compost is packed into a bag of 40 kgs each, and each 40 kgs bag is sold at 200 rupees. We are selling this compost to agriculture farmers in and around Tirupati and in Chittoor district. And this entire plant is run by an NGO. We have given them cost to cost basis. This entire facility was done under Smart City, and NGO is running the plant, and it is a zero cost plant for Tirupati Municipal Corporation.
Stages of wet waste processing. First, collected waste from stakeholders would be transported to transit transfer stations in the city. Thereafter, it will be loaded 100% segregated dry and wet waste into heavy trucks for bulk transport to Tukivakam processing units. After dumping at plant, the wet waste will be dried naturally in the yard. Later, it would be processed by using the conveyor belt system and different sizes of strainers. Finally, the waste particles crushed into the form of biofertilizer.